This is almost comic. Look at those two people in that red canoe. This is the Eastern Gap here in Toronto, and they're paddling as hard as they can because a cruise ship is coming. Check this out. There we go. A Viking cruise ship. This is like downtown Toronto. Didn't even know they came here. And it's backing up. Look at this, eh? I mean, that's a pretty big ship to come to Toronto. I don't think they have a tugboat. And then our canoeists are now out of harm's way. See the red channel markers? They've made it past. And then you've got all these other people in their boats coming through, checking out the cruise ship. It's kind of cool. I'm just going to walk over here, have a look at the front. So this is actually called the Port of Toronto, and it was built for a ferry service between Toronto and Rochester, New York, that lasted about a month. So there it is. And now we have a bona fide cruise ship coming in here. It's called the Viking Polaris. Just out cycling today, and there you can see Toronto, the CN Tower. But this is kind of cool. It's a pretty modern ship. Not your Caribbean monster city on water, but still, you know, pretty big. Got a kind of neat bow. Look at all the officers up there studying the screens and cameras and making sure they don't run into somebody. But there you have it. Viking cruise leaves Toronto. This is where that power boat is. There's a fence here, which is a bit awkward, but this is called the Eastern Gap, and those are islands right off of Toronto, and behind is the island airport. And there we have the Viking Polaris. So she's waving at me, I'm waving at her. See? Yeah, I think this is kind of cool. Good timing. I just came down and heard the horns, so I thought I'd videotape it. But this is kind of neat how they back out. Anyhow, there's cruise ships in Toronto. There's Toronto, and all the noise you're hearing actually is there's a Caravana Caribbean festival going on this weekend, which I learned is the largest outdoor festival in North America. When they have their parade, there's 10,000 performers in the parade. So that's pretty cool. But that is neat, eh? There you have it. The Viking Polaris.